Have you ever considered how safe your children are from ransomware attackers? Cybersecurity experts suggest that children are extremely vulnerable to social engineering attacks. Based on various surveys, a staggering 92% children are likely to click on suspicious links or download unsafe files, totally unaware that they're putting your family's safety, security, personal and financial information at risk. In the next few minutes, I will explain the essential cybersecurity best practices to follow, which will protect you and your family from ransomware attackers. We will cover all the bases to ensure that your children and family are safe from this growing threat. Remember that ransomware attacks costed $20 billion in 2022 itself. Ransomware spreads very fast. Once their devices are infected, your devices will be infected next. This chain reaction could cost you millions. What is a ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malware that can infect your computer or mobile device. This could hold your personal and sensitive data hostage until you pay a ransom. To protect your children, follow these steps. First, educate your children on how to identify and avoid suspicious emails, links, attachments, and downloads. Teach them not to open the emails from unknown senders and not to download software or files from untrustworthy sources. Cybercriminals can use a variety of tactics to trick children into downloading malware, such as presenting malicious links as cheat codes for popular video games or adult videos, or disguising ransomware as innocent-looking email attachments. In some scenarios, children were offered enticing rewards in exchange for their personal information. Make sure that your children understand if they receive an email or attachment from an unknown source, it's best to delete it immediately. Second, fortify your children's devices by installing security software like antivirus and anti-malware programs on them. Look for options that offer real-time scanning and automatic updates to ensure that all the software are always up to date. Make sure to regularly remind your children about safe online practices and encourage them to keep their devices up to date with the latest security patches. Third, ensure that your children have strong and unique passwords for all their online accounts. Encourage your children to create complex passwords using a combination of upper and lower cases, numbers, and special characters. It's essential to avoid using easily guessable information like birth dates and names. Advise them to change their passwords every few months and avoid reusing old passwords. To help your children remember their passwords, consider using a password manager that securely stores their login information. This can make it easier to use strong, unique passwords for every account without risk of forgetting them. By taking these steps, you can protect your children from the growing threat of ransomware and give yourself a peace of mind knowing that your children are safe online. So let's get started and ensure that our children are protected from this dangerous threat. Do you know scenarios where cybercriminals have targeted children for cyber attacks? What are the security measures that you have already implemented? Please add your comments regarding this. Also, please like the video and share with your friends for awareness. If you want to stay up to date on the latest technology trends, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.